I get it, you scroll through 100 listings, see a sleek 16-inch chassis, a gaming-ready badge, and think you found the perfect balance of power and portability. Then the box arrives, the fans roar the first time you launch a game, and the performance you expected feels a lot more budget-friendly than hardcore. That gap between the marketing hype and the actual experience is why I'm doing this deep dive, so you can dodge the disappointment before you spend a single dollar. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 tries to sit at the crossroads of business workstation and entry-level gaming rig. It's powered by the new Intel Core Ultra 5 125U, a 12-core processor split into 2 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. On paper that sounds like a monster, especially when you compare it to an older i7-1335U, but the reality is a little more nuanced. The Ultra 5 is still a user-use chip, meaning its thermal envelope is designed for thin and light laptops, not the relentless heat of an 8-hour gaming marathon. That's the first thing you need to keep in mind. This laptop can handle modern titles, but you'll be trading off ultra-high settings for smoother sustained performance. Let's talk about how that plays out in a typical gaming session. I ran a few of the latest releases, a fast-paced shooter, a sprawling RPG, and a competitive MOBA at 1080p with the WUXGA 19201200 IPS panel turned on its highest refresh. The screen itself is one of the stronger points. The extra vertical pixels give a bit more workspace for productivity, and the IPS tech delivers solid color consistency even when you're moving around the room. You won't get the deep blacks of an OLED, but the brightness is more than enough for indoor play and the viewing angles stay true. When the game started to push the GPU, the laptop's fan curve kicked in. The fan noise rose to a noticeable whine after about 10 minutes of continuous action. It's not a scream, but in a quiet apartment it becomes a distraction. Heat also builds up on the chassis, especially around the keyboard area. The backlit keyboard feels like a ThinkPad classic, solid key travel, decent tactile feedback, and the light is bright enough for late-night sessions. The fingerprint reader works smoothly, which is a nice security bonus for anyone who also uses the machine for work tasks. Battery life is another reality check. Lenovo equipped a 70Wh battery, which is respectable for a 16-inch device, but once you're gaming the drain is steep. Expect roughly 2 hours of heavy gaming before you have to plug back in. For non-gaming use, browsing, office apps, video calls, you'll see the battery stretch to 5 or 6 hours, especially with Windows 11 Pro's power management tools. If you plan to game on the go, you'll either need a power brick in your bag or a lower-intensity gaming plan. Now, the business side of this ThinkPad is where it really leans in. 64GB of DDR5 RAM is massive for a laptop in this segment, and the 1TB PCIe SSD will make level loads and file transfers feel instantaneous. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 give you the latest connectivity, and the inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 means you can hook up an external GPU, a 4K monitor, or a fast dock without hassle. Those features are why the E16 is marketed as a workstation. It can juggle Excel spreadsheets, 3D rendering, and a casual gaming session without a hiccup. Who should actually buy this machine? If you're a professional who spends most of the day in spreadsheets, code editors, or video conferencing, and you just want to unwind with a game now and then, the ThinkPad E16 hits a sweet spot. The massive RAM, fast SSD, and Windows 11 Pro give you the productivity muscle, while the 16-inch panel and decent GPU, integrated say graphics, let you play titles at medium settings without feeling like a compromise. The fingerprint reader and business-grade security also make it attractive for corporate environments where data protection matters. On the other hand, if you're an aspiring esports competitor or someone who wants to max out ray-traced settings in the latest AAA releases, this isn't the laptop for you. The Ultra 5's efficient core-heavy design means you'll see throttling under sustained GPU load, and the fan noise will become a constant companion during long raids or ranked matches. You'd be better off looking at a laptop with an Series Intel chip or an AMD Ryzen 7 and 9 mobile processor, paired with a dedicated NVIDIA RTX GPU. Price is the final piece of the puzzle. Lenovo's ThinkPad line rarely comes cheap, and the E16's configuration, especially with 64GB RAM, pushes it into the higher-end bracket of entry-level gaming laptops. If you compare that